So we're working with the local traditional restaurant there by the National Art Gallery, as well as
Wolf Shack.
Wolf Shack, and we're working with a really amazing carver, Marula. Yeah, he carves. So what we're trying to do is really create this cultural experience, not only for tourists but also for locals, because most of the tours are, you know, tourists usually coming into the country and wanting to go to Katutura and experience that. So bringing kind of this culture and art experience into the city, and then offering that to everyone to grow this, cultural.
I must say that I really enjoy that Chelsea. What's it
Chelsea Food Court.
Chelsea Food Court. It's a very vibrant space.
Absolutely.
And other vibrant spaces like that deserve to be exposed.
Exactly.
But I was thinking your walking tour is mostly in the inner city. Dit gaan nie buite toe, Karatura toe en diep